The wait for the iPhone SE 4 might soon be over, as Apple is rumored to unveil the fourth-generation iPhone SE soon. Leaks also suggest it could potentially be branded as the iPhone 16e, adding to the excitement surrounding its release. Speculation around this device has been ongoing for years, but recent leaks from reliable source Sonny Dickson have added credibility and excitement to the buzz. On his X account, formerly known as Twitter, Dickson shared images of dummy units for the iPhone SE 4, giving us a sneak peek at the much-anticipated redesign. The leaked dummy units reveal the back and sides of the phone in white and black finishes, though there's no glimpse of the screen since these are non-functional prototypes. These dummies, created using supply chain data, are typically provided to accessory manufacturers to ensure products like phone cases are ready when the device officially launches. While intended for practical purposes, they also offer insights into the phone's shape, color options, and dimensions, confirming earlier speculation about the device's design. The side image shows the volume button along with the mute switch and SIM tray on the left side of the device. Additionally, this leak confirms our previous speculation about the color options for the iPhone SE 4, validating our predictions. For those who haven't seen the video about the SE 4 color palette, make sure to check out the video linked in the description and I section. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks and early tech updates. The link is available in the description. Reports over the past several months suggest that the iPhone SE 4 will ditch previous SE model design elements, such as the thick bezels, home button, and Touch ID. Instead, it's expected to feature an iPhone 14-like design, featuring Face ID, a smaller display notch, and a larger 6.1-inch OLED screen with a 60 Hz refresh rate. Apart from the design, the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to include significant hardware upgrades, such as the A18 chipset and 8 GB of RAM, aligning with the iPhone 16 series. This would make the device compatible with Apple Intelligence features, further enhancing its appeal. The dummy units also hint at an upgraded single-lens rear camera, and this model might also debut Apple's in-house manufactured 5G modem chipset. As for the release date, reliable sources like Mark Gurman suggest that the iPhone SE 4 is likely to launch either in the last week of March or in the first week of April. As for the price, the device is expected to start at the $499 price point. With its sleek redesign, upgraded hardware, and focus on innovative features, this device is shaping up to be one of Apple's most compelling budget-friendly options yet. What do you think about these dummy units? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel so you can become an important part of our exclusive, evergreen YouTube family. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.